This is my new space heater. My last one broke down about the end of last winter, beginning of this winter. I don't know what took me so long to get another one, because this one's been keeping me pretty warm. I like how it's got a fireplace in it. I wanted one with a fake fireplace in it. I've been sitting right next to it all day today. I can thank my mom for this because she bought it for me. Yeah, I went to my parents yesterday and ate Wendy's. Got my typical 10-piece chicken nuggets, baconator fries, and a frosty. And my parents got famous recipe. Then I went to the Miamisburg Mound and filmed a sunrise video, no, a sunset video. And then went to Menards and got the space heater and got some gloves. Because I had been needing some gloves, haven't had a pair in a while. Alright, this is my new space heater.